Hi friends, what's up? This is RK from 360 Reader. It's time to talk about the best tips and tricks to fix fitness tracking not working on iPhone. Modern versions of iOS comes with motion and fitness tracking feature. When activated, it stores data on your iPhone which can be used to estimate pivotal things like step counts, body motion, stairs climbed, mobility, and more. While this health-centric feature generally works as expected, there are times when it goes completely wrong, and when it hits the rough patch, you have inaccurate steps counts and mobility data which can dampen your spirit to get fitter. But bother not, I have found some workable tips to fix fitness tracking not working on iPhone. That said, let's jump right in. Before getting started, make sure you have subscribed our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from 360 Reader. First off, I would recommend you to make sure that your iPhone is compatible with motion and fitness tracking. To get going, ensure that your iOS device is compatible with motion and fitness tracking. Note that only iPhone 5s or later supports motion and fitness tracking. Next up, I would suggest you to disable or enable the fitness tracking feature on your iPhone. Many a time, all you need to do to fix the fitness tracking issue on your iPhone is to just turn it off and on. Considering how effective it is, make sure to give it a try. To do so, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and select Privacy and Security. Now tap on Motion and Fitness Tracking. Then turn on the toggle for fitness tracking. After that, restart your iPhone. Once your iPhone has rebooted, go back to the same setting and then turn on the toggle for fitness tracking. After that, check out if fitness tracking feature has begun to work properly. If it has, you are good to go. Next up, I would suggest you to ensure that the Health app can access the fitness activity on your iPhone. It's worth pointing out that every health and fitness app asks for your permission to access your motion and fitness activity. Thus, ensure that you have allowed the app in question, like Health app, to retrieve your fitness activity. To do so, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Now tap on Motion and Fitness Tracking. Now make sure that the toggle for the Health app is turned on. Next up, I would suggest you to force restart your iPhone. If the fitness tracking is still ill-functioning, hard reset your iPhone. For those uninitiated, it's well known for sorting out weird issues. Therefore, make sure to give it a try. To do so, simply press and quickly release the volume up button. Then press and quickly release the volume down button. Then you have to hold down the side button until you see the Apple logo on your iPhone. Next up, I would suggest you to factory reset your iPhone. Another highly effective solution that you should try to get rid of the fitness tracking issue on your iPhone is to factory reset the device. Keep in mind that it will erase all the existing settings. However, none of your media and data will be deleted. To do so, head into the Settings app on your iPhone, then tap on General. After that, you have to scroll down to the bottom and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap on Reset. Then you have to hit Reset All Settings and confirm the action. And finally, I would suggest you to update the software on your iPhone. If nothing has worked in fixing the motion and fitness tracking issue on your iPhone, go for the software update. To do so, open the Settings app on your iPhone, then tap on General. After that, tap on Software Update and finally download and install the latest iteration of iOS, and you are pretty much done. That's all there is to it. So, these are the best tips and tricks to fix motion and fitness tracking not working on iPhone. Hopefully, you have gotten the better of the problem. If you have found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye.